Fantastic. Hi, Amarka. My presentation is about using collocated vision to improve tactile sensing. This is joint work with Tim, Professor Yuan, Professor Atkeson, all at Carnegie Mellon. So the question I'm trying to answer is, can we aid a manipulation task if we have a suite of sensors of different capabilities attached to a robot? So in this work, we are going to demonstrate a pipeline where we integrate two visual sensors of different capabilities, one RGB camera, another RGB-G camera of different fields of views with a modified version of the gel side. And we are going to mount this sensor suite on a manipulator arm, and we're going to talk about how we can use the data stream generated by this sensor suite to A, visually servo towards a goal, and B, localize contact. And our basic idea is to improve contact localization on top of the cameras. So our main results are we could implement an optic flow-based servoing algorithm, which helped us correct the robot trajectories on the fly. So on the left, you see two robot trajectories in red, which are incorrect. We manually introduced some errors in the robot trajectory, and you could use our visual servoing algorithm to correct it up to 5 millimeters. And while we're going towards the object, we stream the data from the sensors and use the data to generate coarse pose estimates, which you see here. And at contact, we could get the contact data from the gel site, and we could localize contact pretty accurately. One other thing which we could also do is we could also distinguish between confusing tactile signals. So for example, if you touch this box cutter in the middle versus at the end, just using a tactile sensor would be hard, but we make the point that since you have co-located vision with touch, meaning cameras which are really closely integrated physically and algorithmically with the tactile sensor, we can disambiguate between confusing tactile signals. And we could also localize small objects. Yeah, just going over the methods again, we could squash down the uncertainty of pose localization from the cat just by using camera versus by integrating a tactile sensor from 1 centimeters and 1 degrees in the camera to about 1.5 millimeters and 0.25 degrees with the gel sensor integrated. We could also disambiguate between confusing tactile signals, and we could also correct our trajectories. Please visit our poster, and we'd love to have a discussion and get your feedback. Thank you so much.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Thank you for